Hey everybody, thanks for coming on down to St.Albert Dodge in the form of your computer or phone. We hope we get you here in person, but let's talk about this while you're here. This is an incredible Jeep Wrangler that we put a lift on, rims, tires, the running boards as well. So Sarge Green is the color, and this is actually an anniversary edition Wrangler. So we have one other vehicle in our showroom that is also a 50th anniversary edition. They happen to be parked right next to each other. Let's talk about this one to start. So it already has these black Rhino hard alloy rims, so they're kind of replica of the bead locking rim. Makes it very, very heavy duty looking as well as off-road capable, along with those Firestone Destination mountain terrain 2s. So then you also got the 7-slot front grille with the high projection LED, halogen lights here, and then fog lamps, and then your daytiming running lamps in the fenders. Coming around to this side with me here, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the special badging they have here. As you can see, this says the 80th edition. So it is the 80th edition specialty Wrangler. So back in 1941, that's when the Wrangler was introduced to serving in the war, and then also went commercial shortly after that. So you could end up buying a Wrangler like this today. That all was brought to you by the Willys Wrangler. This one is definitely similar in a lot of ways, be it its 4x4 capability first and foremost. But taking a quick little look on the inside here, it's got a really, really nice custom fabric interior, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and then it also has, coming around the backside here, the heavy duty spare tire holder, because it comes with a 5th spare tire, obviously for your off-road needs. In the back here, we've got our just a hubcap cover for this one here, and then a little bit of storage underneath. These are actually door hinge holders, and these are for the roof, the bolts and different hardware you have, so you can take the hard top off. This is the JL model, so it's the newest, latest, and greatest model of Wrangler. What that gives you is a couple of different things they've changed. The taillights, the license plate placement. It also now has a backup camera, which is pretty special. And then coming around to this side of the vehicle here, we're going to also talk about the fact that it has blind spot monitoring on the mirrors. So that's pretty special, you know, just to have that capability when you're in a big lifted vehicle like this. The good news is you'll probably run over everything that's in your blind spot, but insurance gets a little expensive when you start running over people's cars. So Shannon Suits, St.Albert Dodge, thanks for checking out this Wrangler with me. Come in, see what it's like jumping up inside of it, and check out our next video of the anniversary vehicle I have parked right here.